Zdravo, kako sekogаш така и овој пат каде ако не во музичката емисија Hard and Heavy. Овој пат се наоѓаме на Алпите и тоа во Словенија, во Томин, на Metal Days. Ова е 15-ти јубилеен пат на овој фестивал и имаме новите соговорници каде ако не во музичката емисија Hard and Heavy. Значи тука се нашите домакини како први со кои ќе го работам ова интервју, значи словенците од Нова Горица кои негуваат death metal Hellcrow. First, welcome to the TV show Hard and Heavy.
Welcome, thank you very much.
Yeah. Tell me, you exist in 2010 year. You exist 7 years.
Yeah.
You have 2 albums. Tell me how you are recording first album and where, and the new album we are recording.
So we just started as a normal band, starting the rehearsing place, and when we had enough songs and we felt that it was the right time to record, we recorded at the nearest studio where we have the rehearsing place. We recorded the songs in, let's say, it really natural and immature way. Let's say it so. It was our first experience in a studio, and it came out pretty well. And when we had enough songs for the second album, we kind of took a more professional step, and we really knew how we wanted to sound for the second album. So when we recorded it, we did it the way that it sounded really natural. Really, we really wanted a live sound captured on the disc, and I think we accomplished this.
Yeah. Tell me, why do you take it the name Hellcrow?
The Hellcrawler is something that he should answer. He's going to answer better than me, yeah?
Yeah, this is the story what we're talking about in the lyrics. But the name Hellcrawler came up during a, let's say, a stoner night, listening to Judas Priest Painkiller album. So it's a mixture of Hell Patrol and Nightcrawler. This is how it started. But then after that, we developed our own story of a post-apocalyptic world.
But who write the lyrics?
I write the lyrics, yeah.
And where take the inspiration for the lyrics?
Well, from the I mean, I kind of take the decadence of today and put it in a post-apocalyptic future, yeah. So that's what the album is about. It's actually about a man going through a post-apocalyptic future, and his stories, the things that he sees, the things that he experiences, are the songs in our albums. And it's a continuity with the slight exception of the split, which has 2 songs that were made still in kind of the sense of the post-apocalyptic future, but they were a bit separate from the story. So otherwise, it's a story. It's ongoing. Yeah.
And tell me, the second album, it's this year the recording, or?
We recorded it in 2015 and released it last year. So it was released in May 2016 via Slovenian label On Parole Productions. So really, thanks again, guys from On Parole, to let out the record.
You have a label. It's nice. It's amazing. But maybe you now have a new material because 1-2 years after the second album.
We have ideas. We have songs, but it's not ready yet. I think we still have to promote the last album, and after that we're gonna make new songs and record the album. So let's say a year or 2.
Yeah. You promotion the new material for the new album, for the second album, and what do you have? Maybe you have video clips, video promotion clips.
We were actually lucky because we got the label, which On Parole, which are 2 great guys, and I can't thank them enough. So they're kind of doing this for us, but we're promoting with the music mostly. Yeah? We try to get invited to concerts and just play there. We of course have, we talk via social media, via Facebook, and we try to advertise a bit, but not too much. You know, it's in this kind of music, people who want to listen to you are basically going to listen to you. People who don't like it, just don't listen to you. So we promote to the point where we play and try to get as many people to hear it, and then they can be the judge for themselves if they like it or not. It's dirty music, so, and we like it that way.
You have death metal style extreme in metal. Why you started with this style?
Well, this is how we grew up. We all started with listening like bands like Iron Maiden, Motorhead. Then in our teenage years we developed the love, the fondness for the Swedish death metal. We grew up with some friends who listened to punk, and this is all what influenced us. So we are just a kind of mixture of death metal, black metal, heavy metal, and this is what we put in our music. So this is what we really are. We listen to all these kind of different styles and we put it together. So maybe the album is more death metal than anything else, but you can hear from heavy to punk in it. So we're not trying to limit ourselves. We just we're just doing what we like. So no limits to our creativity.
Tell me, you be in the tour in Slovenia or another country and promotion your second album, or if you be this summer only the festivals? Yeah.
So we kind of want to go on a tour. If we get a chance, we'll go. The thing is that all of us are working, but that's not a problem. Yeah, we would go on a tour. So for now, we're just trying to get people to invite us to play some shows. We love to play shows, and if people want to invite us and go play, we'll go play. But unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to go on a tour yet. Yeah. So.
And tell me, who is the plan in the future?
Well, first of all, have a gig today, and then start practicing new songs and have more gigs. And let's hope start with the recording of the new album in the next year, when the time is right.
Have a nice show, I think so. This day, starting second stage and main stage. This is amazing festival, but you're just like at home. You're from the Nova Gorica, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, we're basically home here. Yeah, we don't love this place just because there's this festival. We kind of feel this, like we're like walking home. Yeah. So we love Tolmin, and we're just happy that we were invited this year because we are regulars here. We come every year to listen to other bands, and just love the place. So. Thanks again to the organizers who invited us. Yeah.
Thanks for the interview. And what do you like to say for the end for Macedonian metal fans?
Yeah, first of all, keep on listening to metal music because metal music needs more and more people. And check out our band on hellcrawler.bandcamp.com. And if you like our music, you can support us with buying or just download it for free.
And what do you like to say for Macedonian metal fans?
I just want to say that I wish I can see you guys sometime on our concert and that we both can have a really, really good time. So I'm looking forward to it.